There's nobody here. I don't have to tell you anything. I don't have to tell you.
Let's let the boys fix him up.
That's all I have to do. I better work on my bag. Where's my bag? Where's my bag?
Nice car down there. But you don't need a car in the city. There's no place to park.
What's taking them so long?
You got the pink slip.
Yeah?
Go sell that car. I want $500. We'll be back tonight. We don't get that money, we'll put your brother in a hospital with Willie DiCarlo.
I'm sorry, Polo. Polo, I'm quitting.
Yeah.
No, I am. I'm gonna kick it, Polo, tomorrow, as soon as the old man goes.
Well, you've tried it before, Johnny. You know it won't work.
You gotta help me. Take me to a hotel room and lock me up. I'll kick it. I tell you, I'm gonna kick it.
No. No more. I can't let you go through it again.
You gotta, Polo. You're the only one. This is my last chance. I know it is. 3 days. That's all it takes is 3 days. Where you going?
Out.
Hold on, I gotta tell Celie. How am I gonna tell her?
Tell her, Johnny. Just tell her.
What'll I say?
Just say, I'm a junkie. Well, that's what you are, isn't it, Johnny? All right, Johnny. All right. I don't want you to worry too much about Johnny because I had
I get it. I pushed him and he blew his top. I know how to handle it. Johnny better than you.
Oh, no! Oh, he's not gonna kick. He kicks! 2 minutes to go and he kicks on second down. What is this? Don't run with it! Pass it! Pass it! Pass it! Oh! The fire pit! It's right in his hands and he misses. What do you think you're playing, water polo?
High school kids don't
you doing? Surprise? What's the surprise?
Me.
I thought you were at the game with your father.
How was your day?
Like any other day. Why?
Why? I thought you were the one that said a day wasn't just a day.
Oh. Well, I guess I better make the salad.
It's in the icebox. You see dressings in there, too. I'm out the floor. Well, would you like to sit in a tub of hot water? I'll rub your back with alcohol.
Well, what is all this? Flowers and floor mop and meet me out in me. What's the occasion? What's it all for?
Don't you like the flowers?
Of course I like the flowers. Didn't expect to find you home. Flowers and the floor mop.
You just said that.
I just said what?
Flowers and floor mop? You said that twice.
Suppose I did. What difference does it make?
Oh, it doesn't make any difference.
Well, can't we just forget it, please?
What is it, Celia? I was out again last night, is that it? Well, how many more guesses do I get?
It's over.
What's over? Why? Because I lost my job?
Because I don't love you.
So we just snap our fingers and say, that's that, huh?
Now, Johnny, I don't want to get emotional about it. I just refuse to. But I've made up my mind, and it's not easy. It's just something that has to be done. Now, I refuse to get emotional about it. I don't want to blame you for anything, and I don't want to be blamed for anything. But we have to concede the fact that the marriage has failed. Not you, not I, but we have. I refuse to get emotional about it because emotion won't settle anything.
Celia, it's not just you and I now.
If I understand you correctly, you're talking about the baby.
You understand me correctly.
Well, that's amazing, honestly.
What's amazing?
All these months, I've just been waiting for you to say something. One word, one syllable about the baby.
Celia, today isn't yesterday. Things can change.
Johnny, I don't want to talk about it because I don't want to get emotional.
Celia, honey, I'm home now. Don't you understand? I'm home now. Wait a second. Here. I bought something today.
What is it?
It's a dress. You said it was going to be a girl, didn't you?
Thank you, Johnny. Thank you very much.
Honey, you reached out your hand to me and I turned my back on you. You looked at me and I closed my eyes. Oh, honey, you're not listening to me.
I am listening, Johnny.
See, there must have been something worthwhile in me loving at one time. You must have loved me for some reason, Celia. What was that reason?
Please, Johnny, stop, please, Johnny.
I know I've been deaf, dumb, and blind, but don't do to me what I did to you. Honey, listen, something happened to me. Something that's very hard to understand, but please don't go. You don't have to love me, not for a long time, but please don't go.
Johnny, your baby just kicked me. It doesn't move all day long. Every once in a while.
Will you let me know the next time you think it's going to move?
Johnny, hold me. Johnny, please hold me.
You're not going to leave me, are you?
No, I promise. Good night. Good job.
Hi, Apollo.
Hi. The old man's down in Garrity. He wants to buy you a drink before supper.
Who won the game? Play.
Paula, I want you to forget about this morning.
All right. What are you two talking about?